Alright, we're back. We're cooled off a little bit here. These are ready to dump out. I found that if you let them cool off completely in a tin muffin tray, they're hard to get out. You literally got to beat them out. Better dump them whenever they're hot, then tog them over to the quench them in water. Let's dump these out and see what they look like. Well, not bad. We'll quench these out. We'll take a weight, what we got out of 7 pounds, and kind of clean them up, see what we got. Be right back with you.